Budokon is the science of mind and movement. It is considered the most intelligent training in the world. Strength and balance will take your body to new heights, lengthening and carving your muscles while bringing you greater harmony and clarity of thinking. This program is designed specifically to strengthen and tone the entire body while cultivating incredible arm and single leg balance. The special tutorial guide, one-on-one with myself, Cameron Shayne, makes this DVD perfect for both the Budokon novice and the seasoned practitioner. With a perfectly balanced blend of Budokon techniques, this DVD promises to be like nothing you've ever seen before. If you've been looking for a DVD workout that will finally take you to your greatest physical potential and at the same time cultivate awareness of mind, this is it.